I'm going to show you my easy, speedy chopped salad. It's such a great way of getting as many vegetables into you as possible, and it's all done on this wonderful little Magimix food processor. So I have the grating function on here, and I will show you how easy it is to do. So I'm just going to turn this one on, and just like you would a juicer, I want you to put the carrot just in there. How simple is that? In we go with another one. And now a bit of zucchini. Down we go. It's just so fun, a little mini food processor. And very cute. And a bit of daikon. We hardly ever use it, and we really should. It's a wonderful vegetable, this one. Okay, let's have a look at these. We just simply take that one out. And look at that. So, so simple. So now I'm going to switch the disc, and I'm going to make some sliced veggies. So I simply just unclick it, being very careful to not touch the blades inside, but the rim is okay. There we go. We're ready to go again. So in we go, lid on, and off we go. I've got some cucumber and some radish. That was so easy, wasn't it? So again, we'll be very careful removing the blade. And we have some delicious slices there as well. And of course, we're gonna jazz this up with a lovely dressing made so simple by a function that goes on the top. I add the bowl, and again, my little blade here. There we go. And I can just make a simple dressing on the top of this. It's fantastic. So I've got some garlic, add a bit of garlic, some tahini, which is just milled down sesame seeds, lots of lovely magnesium. I'm gonna put half a lemon just in there. Some extra virgin olive oil, of course we need some of that. About 2 tablespoons. Some cracked black pepper. How simple is this? And of course, a generous amount of Murray River salt flakes there. On with our lid, remembering to put this one back in there, and off we go with our dressing. Never in my life have I had non-garlicky hands making a salad. I've been clean throughout. I could almost throw away my knife, I think. I'll grab some of that. And I'm just going to pour this over this lovely, speedy chopped salad. And I'm just going to toss it around a little bit with some salad spoons. But really, all I want to do is try it. So let's have a bit of a taste. Let's have a go. Oh, so crunchy. I mean, you've got sliced, you've got grate, you've got a bit of everything there. Nice, tangy little dressing too. Not only was this very easy, it was actually very fun to do as well.